Welcome to Live in and as Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light and love flowing. Let's hear what are today's messages for the collective. The first card is, into his presence would I enter now. You can refuse to enter, but you cannot bar the door that Christ holds open. Come unto me who holds it open for you. For while I live, it cannot be shut, and I live forever. So enter into the presence of divine. And the second card is, fear is not justified in any form. The Holy Spirit will help you reinterpret everything that you perceive as fearful and teach you that only what is loving is true. So powerful. Choose love over fear. Especially in today's world, there are so many fear-based, panic-based constructs. Come out of it and choose love. Now, let's see the third card that we have. Double mission. Lightworker Starseed. Serve the world by being you. Lightworker Starseeds are mission and purpose oriented. Many have the feeling that time is running out and there's something they came here to do, contribute or create. They are here to grow as souls individually, individual mission, and also to contribute to the planet in some action-oriented way. That is a collective mission. Their collective mission is often answered through a career calling or by devoting their life to something bigger. Until they remember their collective mission, it can feel as if something is missing or that they are forgetting something important. It's common for Lightworker Starseeds to feel that they are different, and they may carry soul memories of being visible or sharing their voice. As such, they may protect themselves by dimming their light in order to fit, or by spending time in some sort of closet, such as spiritual closet. If you pull this card, you're being called to remember your collective mission and step into it even more fully. You are being reminded that your role as a light worker is to light up the world with your presence. This doesn't have to be a great big thing or a decision you need to take. You also don't need to have a great big plan. If you resonate with being a light worker, all you need to do is work out what lights you up. That is your passions and joys, and keep doing that. When you trust and follow the simple path of things that light you up and then lose yourself in the doing, you will light up the world without even trying. So there is an inquiry that you can do. How can you serve the world by being you? What lights you up? What are your passions and joys? And what is it that you think is your mission? You can remember your soul's mission and then follow that path. So the message is, you have an individual mission as well as a collective mission. And light up this world, shine your light bright. That is today's message. That's it for today. Lots of love.